Well, folks, we made it. It is October 12th, Saturday, and we have reached the giveaway. My favorite thing to do on this channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Weekend Watch Repair, and if you're watching this video, you are probably here to see if you won the giveaway. This is a gorgeous 1973 Seiko 5-Actus JDM model with a 7019 movement that we completely restored top to bottom. This thing has been running beautifully. It's been running nonstop for over 2 weeks now since the restoration was completed, keeping great time and just doing beautifully. It has taken all my self-control and self-discipline not to wear this watch. I haven't. I have refrained because the winner may or may not decide to keep this watch. They are going to have the option of either taking this watch home free of charge or getting one serviced on the channel. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and get to the giveaway. A little integrity check first. As you can see, this is Saturday, October 12th, 2024, just to make sure that everything's on the up and up. So we want to go ahead and copy the link to the video, which I am going to do right now as I awkwardly do this voiceover. Now we're going to use this random comment picker. I'll go ahead and paste the link in. I will unselect replies, so it will just count unique users who've left a comment, and it'll begin counting up. This is going to take it a little bit. Folks, we had a lot of engagement on here. I'm really super glad that people seem to like this watch. You know, the old vintage Seikos, it's a bug that when it bites you, it clamps down pretty hard. So I think a lot of you are just like me, really like these old watches, and this one here is just spectacular. So, okay, here we go. We've got 1,483 unique users, and that does not include my own comments. And we'll go ahead and select a winner. Congratulations, Buff Demand. That's an awesome name, Buff Demand. Congratulations to you. Your birthday was October 10th, and this would be a lovely late present. Well, there you go. Happy late birthday. Congratulations, Buff Demand. Yeah. You got quite a decision to make now. So what I need you to do is go ahead and contact me at the email address you see on screen. You have 7 days from today, Saturday, October 19th, to contact me at this email address. I need you to email me a screenshot of you logged into the winning YouTube account name. Once I receive that, I'll contact you back. We'll go through one more step to verify your identity, in which I will give you a special code. You'll just put that code in the comment of the video under the user winning account name. Then once that's verified, we'll exchange information and we'll move on from there. Either you'll have this watch shipped to you, in which case I will provide you tracking. And again, I will never ask you for any payment of any kind. Shipping will be completely on me, fully insured. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the giveaway. Congratulations to Buff Demand. Awesome username, by the way, if I'm even reading that correctly. And yeah, so folks, this is a one take on the audio here. I'm probably certain I screwed something up, but regardless, I hope you enjoyed this video, a little short ad-free video. I've got a major update I'm working on the bench, and the next project will be coming along shortly. So until then, by the way, I've got a couple really interesting project watches lined up. So I hope to bring those to you soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the videos on screen if you want to watch them. Please like and subscribe if you like the channel, and we'll see you soon. Take care.